Picture this: a small, fuzzy creature, no bigger than a loaf of bread, perched on a sunny rock outcrop somewhere in Africa or the Middle East. It looks unassuming at first glance, resembling a guinea pig or perhaps a marmot. But beneath its modest appearance lies an evolutionary story so bizarre that it challenges our understanding of the mammalian family tree. Meet the Hyrax, a creature whose evolutionary lineage is anything but ordinary. While it might look like a rodent, its closest relatives are some of the largest mammals on Earth: elephants and sea cows. This unexpected connection has baffled scientists for decades, and understanding it takes us deep into the history of life on our planet. At first glance, the Hyrax seems unremarkable. Its compact, rounded body is covered in thick fur, and it has a blunt face with prominent whiskers. Depending on the species, Hyraxes might live in trees, rocky areas, or even on the ground, showcasing their adaptability to various environments. But the devil is in the details. For one, the Hyrax has tusk-like incisors that continuously grow throughout its life, a trait more commonly associated with elephants than rodents. These teeth are used not just for grooming and defense, but also as a visual signal during social interactions. Hyraxes also boast uniquely structured feet with specialized pads that secrete sticky secretions. This adaptation allows them to cling to steep surfaces and move across rocks with surprising agility. Imagine a tiny rock climber scaling cliffs with ease, and you'll have a pretty accurate picture of their daily life. Hyraxes are not particularly good at regulating their body temperature. This is why they are often seen basking in the sun. This behavior isn't just about comfort, it's essential for their survival. On cooler nights, Hyraxes huddle together in groups, creating a warm pile of fur and bodies to conserve heat, a behavior adorably known as heaping. Their diet primarily consists of plants, but what makes their digestion fascinating is the multi-chambered stomach they use to ferment tough vegetation. This system is reminiscent of ruminants like cows, although Hyraxes don't regurgitate their food for rechewing. Even their waste is extraordinary. Hyrax urine is so concentrated that it quickly hardens into a resin-like substance. Over time, these pea crystals fossilize, capturing environmental data like pollen and atmospheric isotopes. This provides scientists with invaluable insights into past climates, making Hyrax waste a scientific treasure trove. Despite their rodent-like appearance, Hyraxes belong to a group called Penungulata, which also includes elephants and sirenians, manatees and dugongs. This group likely diverged from a common ancestor about 65 million years ago, around the time dinosaurs went extinct. But here's where things get tricky. Scientists still can't agree on the exact evolutionary branching within this group. Hyraxes could be more closely related to elephants, or they might share a stronger link with sea cows. Some studies even suggest a hard polytomy, meaning that these three groups could have split almost simultaneously from a shared ancestor. Adding to the intrigue, genetic evidence hints at an aquatic past for Hyraxes. Their muscles contain elevated levels of positively charged myoglobin, a protein commonly found in diving mammals. While Hyraxes are strictly land dwellers today, this adaptation suggests that their ancestors might have been more comfortable in water. One of the most unexpected contributions of Hyraxes to science lies in their waste. Fossilized Hyrax urine, known as Hyraceum, accumulates in layers over thousands of years, creating a time capsule of environmental data. By analyzing these urine deposits, researchers can reconstruct past climates, track changes in vegetation, and even study atmospheric conditions. In regions where ice cores or other geological records are unavailable, Hyraceum provides a unique and invaluable alternative. The story of the Hyrax is a powerful reminder of the complexity and wonder of evolution. It highlights how animals can adapt to fill similar ecological niches, even if they come from vastly different lineages, a phenomenon known as convergent evolution. But perhaps most importantly, the Hyrax challenges our perception of taxonomy. While we like to categorize and label the natural world, nature itself often defies our neat classifications. The Hyrax, with its rodent-like appearance and elephantine ancestry, is a perfect example of how life's diversity can surprise us at every turn. So the next time you see a small, furry creature basking in the sun, remember, appearances can be deceiving. Beneath its unassuming exterior, the Hyrax carries a story millions of years in the making, one that connects it to giants and aquatic wanderers, to ancient climates, and to the endless curiosity of human discovery. In a world full of extraordinary creatures, the Hyrax stands out not for its size or strength, but for its story. It reminds us that even the smallest animals can hold the key to understanding life's greatest mysteries. So let's celebrate the humble Hyrax, the furry potato, with an evolutionary tale like no other. Well, Wes, if you found the story of the Hyrax fascinating and want us to explore more wonders of the animal kingdom, don't forget to subscribe to the 10 Knowledge Daily channel today. Leave a comment to share your thoughts. What surprised you the most about the Hyrax? Do you know of any other fascinating evolutionary stories? And if you love this content, be sure to like and share this video with your friends so we can discover the wonders of nature together. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next video.